Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper clip bookmark. So what you're going to need is obviously a paper clip, and you're going to also need a decoration. I'm using this plastic flower I found. And you're also going to need a glue gun, but if you're too young to use a glue gun, make sure to have an adult do it for you. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take the paper clip and glue your decoration on it with the glue gun. So I'm going to put a big blob of glue so it can stay very firm. I'm just pasting it on the paper clip. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!